Hello everyone, tonight Empire Hero here, also known as Dwayne, and today we are going to be unboxing Animal Crossing Amiibo cards I just got in the mail. I decided to get one from each series, just to make things interesting. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, and I was playing the game Unpacking as well, before the doorbell rang, so don't mind the music of that in the background. Very fun game, by the way, an Australian game too, so really recommend checking it out. It's very relaxing. Anyway, let's get with the first pack, number 1. Yep, there we go. There it is. Alright, let's see what we got in this one. We got a dog named Benjamin, a cat named Bangle, and we got Harriet, the good old hairdresser. So that's the cards there. Next pack. Let's see if I can. There we go. See who we get this time. We got Rodney. That's cool. Lucha. And Booker. Very cool. Series 3. Cat named Mo. That's cute. Beardo? I think that's his name. Focus, you silly camera. Beardo, there we go. Ah, and we got Mabel. Yay. Very nice. Alright. My bad. Series 4. See what cards we got here. Oh no, they're falling. My cards are falling. Hang on. Oh no! I swear I dropped one. No, I didn't. Alright, cool. Alright, let's see what cards we got here. Iggly? Yeah, Iggly. And Pee-wee. That's funny. I love him. Pee-wee the monkey. And the fabulous Pave. Pave, or however their name is pronounced. Very nice. And now, the last pack. Series 5. This will be interesting what cards we get in this one. Let's see what we get! Alright. Let's see what we get. I'm gonna do this one a little differently. Sable. Very nice. Azalea? Okay. Alright. And the last one. Fret. And this is who we got overall. Of all the cards. Honestly, this one's my personal favorite. And yeah, that's all the Amiibo cards that I got. Now I'm gonna go back to this. Later, my dudes.